Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today I have this awesome Russian civilian ration. So this is a Russian single meal menu number 1. It's called a storm ration. It weighs 1 pound, 6 ounces, has 1,447 calories. Has a best before date of June the 1st of 2020. And just to let you know, this isn't the ration I wanted to review, but Nina said I had to review it. So here we go. As you can see, there's no peelable seal or anything like that. So I'm gonna take the knife that Nina gave me, links in the kit store, to open it up, little razor blade on the end. But on second thought, Nina forgot and left her knife at home. So I'm gonna use Nina's knife. This is also in the kit store. And let's see what we have. So first thing we have is a 100-gram package of liver pate, a 250-gram package of beef with buckwheat porridge. Got a napkin, got a spoon. Usually these are green in the military. This is white, and if you look right here, it's very weak. But of course, we don't use that thing anyway. Mentos gum. Feels like there's one inside. Got a package of crackers, 50 grams. A 15-gram package of sugar. Oh, and my favorite, apple jam, apple butter. We have a flameless ration heater. That's pretty big. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. And of course, we have instructions. We don't look at instructions. Got a piece of candy. 5 grams of salt. This is going to be the instant drink. Package of tea, a wet nap, and a package of pepper. And that's everything in the storm ration, menu number 1. Okay, got everything laid out. And first thing I want to do is I want to start this flameless ration heater. So, just to let everybody know, I did cheat. I read the instructions. Well, actually, I just looked at the pictures because it's in Russian. It says that this flameless ration heater will heat this ration up to 95 Celsius, which is about 203 degrees. So, I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, got our beef with buckwheat. I'll put that in. Says to kind of center this, and then it says 100 mils of water. That's about what I have in here. We're gonna fold this over. Got our tape. Let's get this good and wet. Wow, it's starting to take off already. So let's just watch that for a minute. Okay, so looks like that's working pretty good. Let me set this off to the side. I don't know if you can hear it, but whew, definitely hot. Okay, moving on. Have our water for our instant drink. Try to use the Google Translate. It doesn't work very good on shiny surfaces. Smells like this is going to be a lemon drink. Yes, very, very strong lemon smell. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the hot water in the ForeignMRE.com mug. We're going to put the tea in. We're going to get the tea to steepen. And this is a black tea. Smells very strong. Let me go ahead and put the sugar in. And let me move y'all over here. Look at that. Can you see that? That flameless ration heater is really going to town. Okay, so got 15 grams of sugar. Okay, tea smelling really good. Yeah, I love the Russian black tea. So, next thing we have is the liver pate. And everybody knows I don't like liver, but I'm going to eat it. Maybe not eat all of it, but probably eat some of it. Huh. I don't know, man. Yeah, that kind of looks like it's green, but maybe not. Okay, so we're gonna open up the crackers next. And I sure like Nina's knife a lot better than mine. Okay, so we still got the flameless ration heater going. Got some apple butter here. I was gonna slice it, but there's already a tear right here. Let's give this a try. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Man, I love this apple butter, apple jam, apple whatever you want to call it. I call it good. Okay, and then the next thing we want to try is the liver pate. Smells like, kind of like a liver and a lunch meat combined. And tastes exactly like liver pate. Terrible. Yeah, I just don't like liver. So I'm gonna take a little of the lemon drink, and I'm gonna save that liver for Nina when she gets home. And flameless ration heater is still going to town. So we're gonna give that a minute and we'll come back. And got everything out on the tray now. And man, you can really smell the spices in the beef porridge here. And look at this. Always a bay leaf. This is really, I mean, it smells like onions, garlic, just a little bit of everything. Let's see how it tastes. Absolutely perfect. Let's try a piece of the meat. That was great. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper on there. And as you can see, oops, too late. I was fixing to say, and I didn't just blop it all out in one place. But at the end I did. Okay, so I need a little salt. Also, I'm gonna try to be really careful with the salt, because I know everybody thought I was just gonna try to dump it out, but no. This is the easiest way for me not to ruin this, because this is my dinner. Earlier today I had the Lithuanian, and tonight beef with buckwheat is my dinner. Oh yeah. It needed some salt and some pepper on there. So let's see what the wet nap here. This is a blue one. I don't think I've ever seen a blue wet nap. It's not very big, as you can see with my hand, but yeah, it's just not that big. And it really doesn't has like a detergent smell, and it's not very tough. It's tougher than that. Well, put them two together and it's pretty tough. And then we have our candy. I think this is a strawberry candy. I'm not gonna taste it now because I want to eat. my dinner here. And of course we have the Mentos gum. Looks pretty good. Oh, I didn't try my tea. Let's give that a try. Oh, absolutely perfect. It's a black tea. It's really, really good. It had the right amount of sugar in it. I would have preferred to have coffee. Nina's more of the tea drinker in the family. So let me go ahead and rank all this or rate it. The beef with buckwheat, perfect 10. It's a 9 without the salt and pepper. Put the salt and pepper on there, perfect 10. The liver pate, I'm not a liver person. I would eat it if I was hungry. I'd give it a 5. Somebody else that likes liver pate probably give it out a 10. It wasn't that bad. And the crackers, these are just the standard flour crackers. Very good. The apple jelly, apple jam, apple good. I'd give that a perfect 10. The lemon drink is a 10. The coffee with the black tea and the right amount of sugar came in the package. I give it a 10. And then Mentos gum, I've had it before. It's good. I've even had the strawberry candy and it's good. So overall, I'd have to give this ration a perfect 10 if it didn't have the liver, but that's just because I don't like liver. So you throw in the liver and I'd give it an 8. But I'm gonna eat everything on here except for the liver. I'm gonna save it for Nina. So as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can even get this ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching, guys.